Welcome back. In this video, we're going to understand what Jenkins is, why it is used in DevOps and CI/CD, its history, and finally we'll look at 3 alternatives to Jenkins. So let's start it. Jenkins is an open source automation server used to build, test, and deploy software automatically. It's one of the most popular tools for implementing CI/CD pipelines, helping teams deliver software faster and with fewer errors. So why Jenkins? Organizations use Jenkins because it's free and open source, huge plugin ecosystem for Git, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, etc. Supports pipeline as code using Jenkins file, works on all platform and supports distributed builds, very flexible and integrated with almost every DevOps tool. In short, Jenkins automates the entire software delivery process. Jenkins actually started back in 2004 when a tool is created named Hudson. In 2005, Hudson was released as an open source automation server and quickly became popular for continuous integration. In 2009, Sun was acquired by Oracle and soon conflicts began between Oracle and open source community over who controlled Hudson. By 2011, the community voted to rename Hudson to Jenkins, and that's when the Jenkins official became its own open source project. From 2012 to 2014, Jenkins grew rapidly with thousands of plugins and became the most widely used CI/CD tool. In 2016, Jenkins 2.0 was released, introducing pipeline as code and modern UI. Since then, Jenkins has continued to evolve, powering automation and CI/CD pipelines around the world. Here are the 3 popular CI/CD tools similar to Jenkins. GitLab CI/CD, built into GitLab, supports complete DevOps pipelines. GitHub Actions automates workflows inside GitHub using simple YML files. And Circle CI, cloud-based, fast, and very popular for Docker-based builds. First of all, let's see the Docker status by running the command. The Docker is active and running. Now let's pull the images. Docker pull Jenkins slash Jenkins clone LTS. So the image pulling is complete. Now let's check Docker images. Now let's create our container. Docker run, giving a name Jenkins. Now giving port number 8081. Now create a volume name Jenkins home. Slash Jenkins home. Now giving the image and hit enter. Now let's check. Yes, the container is running and up. So for this I need to see my IP. So my IP is 192.168.3.1.7. Now going to my browser and giving my IP. On 8081, the port number. Now hitting enter. Here the Jenkins UI. We need to give the password. So for seeing the password, we need to run the logs of the Docker container. So here is my password. Just simply copying it. Now just pasting my password here and hitting continue. Now Docker is starting installing suggested plugins. Now here I need to create an user, giving a username, setting a password, then confirm the password, giving my full name and my email address. Then hit save and continue. Here I am naming it Jenkins and restart. So here is my Jenkins. I am giving my username and password. And simply signing in. Here is my Jenkins dashboard. For creating a project, click on create job. I am naming it simple freestyle project. Select type freestyle project and hit OK. Now here scroll down and under add build setup, go to execute shell. Here I am just printing hello world. Now apply and save. Now build now. So see the status, build successful. Now let's see. Yeah, the console output run my printf file. We need to install Git. Giving my password. So it is all in the newest version. Going to my GitHub account and go to the repository and creating a new repository. I'm naming it Jenkins demo and the readme file on and creating repository. Here is my readme.md file. Now creating another build. GitHub build. Also it is a freestyle project and clicking on OK. Now Coming to the configure, here is the source code management. We need to select Git and giving my repository URL, and under build setup I am running printf pulled from GitHub successful. And listing all files from the repository ls -l, then apply and save. Now go to build now and let's check the output. Yeah, it's built successfully and my readme.md file is shown here from the repository. So that's all. Thank you for watching the video.